Hello and warm welcome to the channel, everyone. Here the CBSE has issued a new circular regarding the extension of the last date for uploading the marks of the practical projects assessment components for the class 12th exam 2021. So as you can see over here that this is of dated to 6/6/2021, which is of the today's notice, fresh one. Number is mentioned over here, CBSE /CE practical /2021, and this has been sent to all the principals, head of the institutions, school affiliated to CBSE. So let's see what is this about. So this notice says this is about the subject, the change of the mode of the school-based extension of the last date for uploading of the marks practical project internal assessment components for the classes 12th exams 2021. So you guys must be knowing that previously the date was given, that was the 11/6/21. By 11/6/21 schools were supposed to upload their class 12th marks, but in case if there are certain schools those who are failed to do so, so for them CBSE has issued a new circular over here. What it says we will see further. Madam Sir, this has a reference to the letter number CBSE CORE 2021 dated 11/2/21 regarding conduct of the school-based assessment, internal assessment, practical and the project of class 12 and uploading the marks by 11/6/2021. This was the previous date and available at the link. This is the link at which they are supposed to upload that. It has been observed that some schools have not been able to complete the school-based assessment. So there are some schools those who are not able to do this assessment in the various subjects due to the pandemic. Thus, the schools with pending practical internal assessments are permitted. Okay, so they are now permitted to conduct the same now in only online mode. Okay, all the assessment, that is the project or assessment or practical, whatever, that all remain online only, and upload the marks on the provided links latest by 28/6. Now see, the previous date was 11/6. Now the new date which has CBSE has released, that is 28/6/2021. This is the last date by which all the schools are supposed to send the practical exams and all the internal assessment marks by strictly adhering the following. Now there are certain terms and conditions which are giving, which all the schools are supposed to follow. So here the first condition is the list of subject and the breakup of the marks for the theory and practical project and internal assessment, duration of the examination and whether the external examiner will be appointed by the CBSE or not is available at the page 167 at the link. This is the link at which you can get the more information. Merge PDF of the framework and significant guidelines in the context of the secondary and senior secondary certificate examination 2021. Second point, it says in subjects where the external examiner has not been appointed, the concerned school teachers of the subject will conduct the internal assessment based on the instructions given in the curriculum in an online mode and upload the marks awarded at the link provided by the board. Point number third says for the conduct of practical exams or the project evaluation where external examiners are appointed by the CBSE, external examiner will decide the date of examination in consultation with internal examination and take a viva voce through online mode. Point number 4 says internal examiner will share the date of examination with students preferably well in advance and on the day of exam. Share the link of online meeting with the external examiner and students. The conduct of assessment will be as per the norms given in the curriculum. Okay, point number 5 says immediately on completion of the conduct of examination, the marks will be uploaded on the link provided by the board. While uploading marks, it will be ensured that correct marks are uploaded, as no correction in the marks once uploaded will be allowed subsequently. Both the examiners should keep in mind that the marks allotted should not bunch towards the maximum marks, which is highly unlikely in the view of diverse levels of students. Point number 6 is internal examiners will take on a screen photograph of each student during viva and for the school record. This photograph should have the picture of internal examiner, external examiner and the students of recording the entire session could be kept. However, the policy of uploading the group photos has been suspended due to pandemic. So there will not be any kind of group photo for it. Point number 7 says school should strictly follow all the COVID protocols while conducting school-based assessment. Teachers appointed for external examiners shall accept the duty and complete the assignment within the extended timelines. Point number 9 says no extension of the last date. Okay, no extension of the last date for uploading the marks, which is 28/6/22, will be done. Means after that the dates will not be extended at any cost. Thus the schools are advised to complete all the evaluation well before the June 28 and upload the marks meticulously. Point number 10, the policy for conduct of the practical project and internal assessment component for the private candidates registered for 2021 class 12th exam will be declared soon. Means till now there is no policy has been declared for the class 12th, that how they will assess. So that will be declared soon, as it is mentioned in this point number 10 here. And rest of the condition will remain same as communicated in the earlier notification of date 11/2/2021. All right. And here you can see down, this is the signature of our Dr. Sayyam Bharadwaj, controller of the examination. So okay guys, thank you very much for watching and have a nice day.